Sylhet dichte amor sundol. Ama balalok che. Sylhet manush hug bala. All Bangladesh like this, Muslim, yeah? And this is my first time in Bangladesh, first time in Sylhet. But mashallah, Allahu Akbar. I came from Sudan. I'm from Sudan. I'm originally from Sudan, but I born in the UK, I raised in the UK. MashaAllah, I've been into many countries in my life, and this is my first time in Bangladesh, first time in Sylhet. But MashaAllah, Allahu Akbar. Muslims are nice, very pure heart, clean heart. They are so welcoming, they are so friendly. Like MashaAllah, you guys, Kimanacho, all Bangladesh, bye. All Bangladesh, baya, bye. Muslim, brothers. Innamal mu'minuna ikhwa, one ummah. You understand? Yes. One ummah. All Bangladesh, bye, yeah. Yeah? MashaAllah, give me a hug. All Bangladesh like this, Muslim, yeah? MashaAllah. You guys are the best, man. MashaAllah. Wallahi, those guys are the best. I can't. Sudan. Muslim. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. MashaAllah. We just come from there, right? We came from the cricket stadium. Yes, it's beautiful. Ami Sylhet achi, ama balalok che. Ami Sylhet, abarak sure. Thank you so much. Sylhet manush, hug bala. Sylhet dichte amor sundol. 360 আউলিয়া পূর্ণ সিলেট ভূমি এই সিলেটে আমি আছি থাকবো আসবো আমিন ইয়া রাব্বুল আলামিন আমিন I want to say to the Bangladesh people, please guys, keep this beautiful culture, don't lose it. Many Muslims today, they claim to be Muslim, but they don't practice. They don't really show the attitude of Muslim, the true Islamic culture that the Prophet, peace be upon him, used to live. They don't live in that life. But Bangladesh, mashallah, you guys, you have the life of the Prophet. If you really want to see how the Prophet used to live, come to Bangladesh. Wallah, even the bread, they put henna, the hair henna, like true culture of the Prophet, how he used to live, like true sunnah. Their heart is pure, is light. Like when you come to them, they accept you, they hug you, they welcome you. Go to any other country, Muslim country, because mashallah, Allahumma barik.